Well, dear student, now I come to here superficial expansion. What is that? Superficial expansion regarding area. So actually, it is a metallic sheet, thin sheet, whose area is A0 at T0 degree centigrade and AT at T degree centigrade. So increase in area, I write directly here AT minus A0 proportional to A0 into rising temperature T minus 0. Or I write here AT minus A0 is equal to beta A0 into T, where beta is constant of proportionality. And is called coefficient of superficial expansion. Superficial expansion. I hope now you are well grown. No, you have grown well, grown up well. So I don't need to that it is a sheet at 0 degree. I simply telling that AT, the area of sheet at T degree centigrade, and A0 at, है ना? So increase in area AT minus A0 is equal to this. Beta from here AT minus A0 upon A0 into T. Actually, coefficient, constant of proportionality. I keep on telling what it means for constant of proportionality. Actually, physics is the science of measurement. Measurement of force, measurement of many things. So that per unit, है ना? Suppose you are in the market and you want to purchase generally cloth or any other thing. So you ask the cost. So the shopkeeper tells that it is rupees 150 per meter. Then and you suppose you purchase 2 meter cloth, so 150 into 2. But there are many things which does not depend only on one thing. जैसे मैंने कहा यहाँ पर increase in area depends upon original area rise temperature. So here beta is constant quantity that measures the increase in area per unit area per degree rising temperature. तो per unit जो है ना वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं, एक यूनिट का वैल्यू निकाल के, और अगर फिर हमारे ज्ञात निकालनी होती है तो उससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, यानी कि इंक्रीज एरिया बीटा में पता होगा तो A0 into T मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो वी विल गेट दिस. तो दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी. When you want to do something and a physical quantity depends on more than one factor, है भाई? So then per unit value of those factors we find the value of that given quantity. Now from here, if A0 is equal to 1 unit of area and T is equal to 1 degree centigrade, 1 degree centigrade, then beta equal to AT minus A0. That is increasing, therefore coefficient of superficial expansion is numerically equal to the increase in area per unit area and per degree rise in temperature. So its unit again, is per degree centigrade. Once I asked student a question like this, length of a wire is 1.00 centimeter at 0 degree centigrade and 1.00012 centimeter at 1 degree centigrade. तो what is coefficient of linear expansion? तो बच्चे लोग जो है ना नहीं बता पाए। भाई मैंने कहा ना अल्फा जो है कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ लीनियर एक्सपेंशन इज इक्वल टू LT माइनस L0 अपॉन L0 इंटू T। तो LT माइनस L0 तो ये हो गया हमारा 0.00012 और L01 है ही और ये T1। तो सिंपली हमें इसमें से घटा के बताना था, लेकिन बच्चे तो कंफ्यूज हो गए। भाई कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ लीनियर एक्सपेंशन या सुपरफिशियल इज द चेंज पर यूनिट लेंथ और per area or per rise in temperature. Remember it. So here beta, I have told similarly coefficient of cubical. I come to cubical expansion of solids. अभी हम लिख लिए सब, it is going on for solids. So suppose you have here this cuboid at 0 degree centigrade. Its volume is V0 at 0 degree centigrade. Now we raise the temperature to T. So its volume may increase and say it become VT at T degree centigrade. Volume VT become at T degree centigrade. It was at 0, so VT. So increase in volume again VT minus V0 proportional to V0 into T minus 0. Increase in volume proportional to original volume and rise in temperature, or VT minus V0 is equal to gamma V0 into T. So T minus 0 T. So gamma here is equal to gamma coefficient of cubical expansion. Gamma is called here coefficient of cubical expansion. And from here, what is gamma now? Now gamma here is equal to VT minus V0 upon V0 T. Again, if V0 is equal to 1 unit of volume, T equal to 1 degree centigrade, then gamma equal to VT minus V0. And therefore, coefficient of cubical expansion and therefore coefficient of cubical expansion. Cubical expansion is numerically equal to increase in volume per unit volume per degree rise in temperature. Its unit is also per degree centigrade. So this is called cubical expansion. Actually, this thermal expansion has very good application of life. Cubical expansion of liquid is used in making thermometer, mercury thermometer. Volume mercury increases. There is again a table 11.2 coefficient of volume expansion. Coefficient of volume expansion is given here in this table 11.2 NCRT. Please have NCRT with you. Aluminium, brass, iron, ना तो ये सब यहाँ पर गिवन है, इनको पढ़ा करें. देखो वाटर का क्यूबिकल एक्सपेंशन 20.7 10 to power minus 5, while brass has only 6 10 to power minus 5, iron has only 3.55, and I told you in case of solid, the cubical expansion at room temperature remain constant, but if I take coefficient of cubical expansion gamma and here temperature, so at room temperature increases and become constant. Cubical expansion gamma, similarly linear expansion, superficial expansion also vary with temperature in case solid, and at high temperature it become constant temperature here. तो ये जो गिवन वैल्यू है, these are average value in table. Gamma is exactly not a constant, it is also variable, but we are taking here average value. Be very sure, read each and every point, है ना, क्योंकि जो एग्जाम होते हैं उनमें वैसे तो main aim is to pass maximum in board exam, but in competitive exam to fail maximum. Very common things are asked generally because we don't read the things in general. We read only specific topic. Now I want to tell here relation between alpha and beta. Relation between alpha and beta. For simplicity, I will take here simple case. Suppose we have a square sheet, thin sheet, whose length is L0 at 0 degree centigrade. At 0 degree centigrade it is L0. So its area A0 will be L0 square at 0 degree centigrade. Now if we increase temperature, so area at T degree centigrade, this length become LT and area AT will be LT square. For simplicity I am taking like this. Here it is metric thin sheet. Its area A0 equal to L0 square. and at T degree centigrade, AT will be LT square. We know from equation LT minus L0 is equal to alpha L0 delta T, और LT इक्वल टू क्या होगा L0 प्लस अल्फा L0 डेल्टा T, और T लिख देता है, यानी कि L0 इंटू 1 प्लस अल्फा T. LT is this. Put this value here. You get AT equal to this whole square, यानी L0 square into 1 plus alpha T whole square. Alpha has very small value, 10 to the power minus 5 order. Square of 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 10, negative small. So here L0 square is equal to A0 into whole square 1 plus 2 alpha T plus alpha square T square. Since alpha is very much less than 1, so the term alpha square T square is negligibly small. So AT is equal to A0 into 1 plus 2 alpha T. Or you can write AT is equal to A0 plus 2A0 alpha T, or AT minus A0 to A0 alpha T. And from here you get, क्या मिलेगा हमें, AT minus A0 upon A0 into T equal to 2 alpha. And what is this? This is beta. So beta is equal to 2 alpha. Beta is equal to 2 alpha. You can take here na rectangular sheet also. हम इससे ले सके rectangular sheet है, length L, breadth B, then on temperature increase it become LT, and then इसमें increase, फिर ये L plus delta L होगी, ये B plus delta B होगी, और जब हम स्क्वायर खोलेंगे तो वो you will get the same thing, and their delta L into delta B will negligibly small, like that. Now relation between alpha and gamma. Relation between alpha and gamma. We are taking for solids. So suppose again we have a cube here, whose volume, whose each side has length L0 at 0 degree centigrade. L0 cube, it is a cube. So volume V0 will be L0 cube. Now we raise temperature and suppose its length breadth become LT. So volume will be LT. LT at 0 degree centigrade. So V0 equal to L0 cube. Vt will be LT cube. But LT again L0 into 1 plus alpha T. Whole cube होगा तो cube here and here. So it is V0, L0 cube. V0, or it is now A plus B whole cube. Remember this A plus B whole cube. I keep on telling students, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Learn like this. Simple. पता नहीं किसने बता दिया, याद नहीं करना. बहुत बच्चे बहुत मिसगाइडेड हैं, कुछ भी इनके ब्रेन में नहीं पाता, पता नहीं वो कहाँ दिमाग रखते हैं बच्चे, जबकि बातें बड़ी आसान होती है याद करनी। तो इफ आई अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला हियर, तो 1 + 3 अल्फा टी, क्योंकि ए तो 1 है, 1² 1, और ये बीटा ये होगा बी आपका, प्लस 3 1² 1 a² b², यानी कि अल्फा स्क्वायर और बी t², और प्लस अल्फा क्यूब t³। हियर दीज टू टर्म नेग्लिजिबल। अल्फा स्क्वायर बनता ना, अल्फा 10⁻⁻5 है, और अगर इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 10⁻⁻10, और 10⁻⁻10 में ये जोड़ेंगे तो 10⁵ रहेगा। So these terms are negligible. So we get here Vt is equal to V0 into 1 + 3 alpha t, और Vt is equal to V0 + 3 V0 alpha t, और Vt minus V0 upon V0 t 3 alpha, and this is gamma here. This is gamma here, so gamma is equal to 3 alpha. Generally we are given somewhere gamma, but we need their alpha, so divide by 3. So this was all about the expansion of solid. Now in next video I will take expansion of liquids and gases. Thank you.